for the Uganda Cranes, and the substitute brought in right on time. Rogers Kasim Mato brings Uganda Cranes right back into the caution of the game. For Tanzania, it's dejection galore. Full time at the Benjamin Mkapa Stadium in Tanzania. It is the Taifa Stars of Tanzania 0, Uganda Cranes 1. Ecstatic scenes here from the Ugandan camp. It's going to be one of those moments, one of those nights that is bound to spark full celebration in the dressing rooms. But for the Tanzanians, it's not going to be anything to savor. And that brings us to the table standings right now after match day 4. 4 points apiece between Tanzania and Uganda. Niger find themselves with just the 2 points. And that is the lay of the land as far as the game has turned out. Tanzania falling to the Uganda Cranes.